The next dish is stewed cabbage with sausage, but it's not like the sausage and cabbage you're probably used to. We're gonna make caseless sausage from a mix of ground pork and beef, and stew the cabbage in beer. Those are the basic flavors, but you can see the rest of the ingredients on the screen. You start by mixing the ground meat with spices, eggs, breadcrumbs, and salt and pepper to taste. After everything is mixed, take 2 tablespoons to form a sausage. I'll have about 16 sausages when done so that each of my 8 eaters gets 2. There'll probably be a few more than that, but I'm saving them for myself. Fry the sausages up until crispy and brown. After the sausage is done, in the same pan with the pork drippings, saute the chopped garlic and onions. Once the onions and garlic are soft, add the chopped cabbage and the beer. Cover this and cook down until the cabbage is tender. The smell coming from this dish is amazing. Now it's time to make it look as amazing as it smells. To plate this dish, put the cabbage on the plate first, then add the sausages. Next, garnish. Did you grow up eating sausage and peppers? This variation on that dish is great because cabbage lasts a long time and you probably have ground meat in the freezer already.